Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Julia and today I have a guest, Leo. In today's video, we are going to try some of the Burmese snacks that I brought over from my recent trip back to Myanmar. Food that I have, they're quite spicy. So the first item we are going to try is tamarind toffee made out of tamarind, sugar, salt. So we're gonna try it first. How about the taste?
It tastes like sugar and new.
There is this snack called new. It was also made out of tamarind. It has this slight tamarind taste, just like this one. But I think this is a bit sweeter than new. It has to be a bit more spicier.
Yeah. So what's next on the menu?
So next on the menu, I have another spicy treat for you. This is kind of like the type of snack that I would usually eat in the afternoon. This is really sour, spicy fruit snack and we call it zio. This is made out of mango, so it's more like pickled mango, which is going to be really spicy. This is how the inside looks like.
Yeah, it smells like food. Like some sauce.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, I guess I have to.
Oh, probably you might not be able to eat this part.
Yeah,
because
I
it's
noticed.
mango. What do you think?
Spicy. And a little inconvenient. Since you can't eat the whole thing.
Yeah.
There's that hard part.
I agree, it's a bit of inconvenience to avoid this thing. So for the next one, I brought over dried fish cracker. So these are just really dried and raw. So this is how they look like. I fry them in the oil pan and this is the result. You are supposed to have it with spicy sauce. Okay. Oh.
Tastes kind of like potato chips. But without salt. I would maybe add some salt.
It also has some fish smell.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, not too bad.
Up next, we are going to try this pork rind. In Burmese, it's called wakaucho. This is the package. I've already cut it open, and this is how it looks like.
Tastes like bacon.
Darker ones, they taste much better. This one.
It's a bit weird. It tastes like meat, but it's not.
It's the best when you're eating some sort of noodles. Then you can include these. Then it really brings out the taste in the soup.
Yeah, I can imagine.
So this is made out of sticky rice and then you include some of the spices and then you will just fry it all together. So this is what it meant by pepok. And it's made out of soya bean as well.
Has a nice texture.
No.
Crunchy. Kind of like Rice Krispies stuck together.
Yeah. And it also has this fermented fish taste in here.
It's just spicy, but it's not.
Yeah. It's not spicy to you?
Just a little bit, but not worth this sort of huge warning label.
Okay. Maybe you're just getting used to some spices. How would you rate this?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I could buy it.
So the next item I have, ngabijo, which is fried chili with garlic and onions inside. This is the package that I have, and I already put another package of it in this box. It smells really good and the color is really healing, I think. And you have to eat it with rice. Sprinkle a little bit of it on the rice. You can start eating.
It's more like a spice mix. Maybe I'd like to drink water now.
It's a bit spicy.
And salty as well, those crisps and whatever they were.
That's all for today. Leave a comment down below for your favorite Burmese snack. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.